Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to install Python on Windows step by step. First, open your browser. Go to python.org. In the download section, click on the latest Python version. This opens a new page. Scroll down and see that it is available for both Mac and Windows OS and also as compressed file. As we are using Windows OS, click on the Windows option. On this page, click on the yellow download button. And the download starts. The file size is around 45 megabits. After download completes, open the installer. If you want the Python to be open just after the installation is finished, leave this box checked. Now click Install Python. The installation will start and then command prompt will open, asking if you want to add command directory to the path. Type Y for yes. Now it is asking if you want to install CPython. Type Y for yes. And now it is installing the remaining program. You can also check for online help. Once finished, click Close. Now open command prompt. Type Python version. Press Enter. If Python version appears, installation is successful. That's how you install Python correctly on Windows.